Hey guys. Okay, we're going to be doing a mukbang with Takis. So let's get into it. Don't look at my blue / red tongue. Ready? Wait 1 second, guys. I'm gonna show you a magic trick. So if you rub your top of your hair, and your mouth, it turns, it's like bleeding. So oh my god, she doesn't even eat Takis and it works. But like, she's eating them now. So.
Look how red that one is.
Oh my god, she's getting red ones. I'm not. Yeah, oh my god, that one's not red. Oh, that's a big one. I want to eat this one, but I can't. Crap. Oh, this is a red one, kind of.
Why can't you eat it?
Because for my dad. Alright, let me do it one more time. That's weird.
Here's a red one.
Thank you.
I'm finding all the red ones, so.
How?
Okay.
That's crazy.
This is like my third Capri Sun.
Oh my god, we're so dumb.
This is like my third Capri Sun.
I'm doing a YouTube video. So yeah, guys, we're gonna end it. Bye. She's dying, but bye. Oh, don't mind that. Bye.